the Creative Kids Lubgo
Lubgo
channel. Today we are going to be cooking scones. So we've got this book here that I got when I was first born. It's from my nana and to my mum. So the first ingredient calls for 2 cups self-raising flour. And so so it's gonna appear right here in 3 seconds. Woo! Okay, here it is. There's that and here. Okay, so inside of this imaginary is this. And this is our bowl, by the way. So what you're gonna need for the self-raising flour is some baking powder
and some flour.
So we need 2 cups. 2 cups.
Is the cup. Yeah.
Okay, we're done with this. So for this part, it says to make self-raising flour, 2 teaspoons. So that's 4 teaspoons. So now we have self-raising flour. Okay, the next thing we need is 1/4 teaspoon salt. So yes, it's here. Salt. That.
This is satisfying.
Salt. Teaspoon. 4th teaspoon. Put it there. So this we need 1/4 of a teaspoon. So the next thing is 2 tablespoons or 60 grams butter or margarine, and we're going to be using butter. So it's going to be here. Okay, it's here. So here's our butter. And so it also needs to be like slightly melted so we can rub it into the flour and all that with our fingers. And so we've washed our fingers, of course.
Yeah.
Just before you get this, you also have a hot oven ready you have to have an oven ready. You have to have your oven ready. And so it's meant to be about 230 to 260 degrees. So yeah. We also are going to need 1 cup milk. So okay, so this is our milk. So right now we don't need this milk or the cup. So what we need is the butter. It says, okay, let's each get 1 piece. You use that hand.
No. I can do both.
Okay. And so we're gonna rub it in. By now, so now we're just gonna have to wash our hands so we don't drop the milk bottom. Now we're gonna pour nearly at the milk in at once, keeping a little for glazing, which is 1 cup milk.
Okay.
Pour it in.
Not all of it.
Oh yeah.
So about that much?
So we've put in all of it in.
I'll put that in the blender.
So now we need to mix quickly into a soft dough. So I'm going to take mine off. The milk's so cold. So you mix it with a spoon. And our hands are all dirty now. Oh, it's working. Now it's working. It needs to turn into a soft dough. That's
Get
what
off
it says.
me!
Okay, the bottom has to get scooped up. All of the stuff is needed. So now it says turn on to floured board, knead lightly and quickly. So we'll flour this batter. Move this flour. That's enough. Okay, so we've done roll or press out to a round shape about 2 centimeters thick. So now it says cut into 8 triangular pieces with a floured knife, or use a plain round 4.5 centimeter cutter. So we've cut it into 8 triangular pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And so now it says glaze with milk. So we were meant to leave some milk out, I think. And there is some milk. Okay, I'm glazing the milk, and because we don't have a brush, I'm just going to use my fingers.
Cook 8 to 10 minutes in a hot oven, 230 to 260 degrees. So we're going to put it on this tray, which is over here. They look like little pizza slices.
Okay, I'm putting them all here, so you can see. Looks like we're getting ready for pizza today. So now we're going to put it in the oven. So this is it. So let's wait. Here are our cooked scones. So they worked out and they're in mini pizza shapes. We're going to maybe add like, well, when you've got cream, you could add cream and jam and butter and all that.
Whipped
But
cream.
we like jam on it and sometimes cream when we've got it. So we're gonna have that. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, and I hope it helped you make scones. So can you please subscribe to this channel? See you later.
please like the video.